Comment down below if sour cream is a yay or nay. Hi, welcome to Kitty's Mama. I'm Emma.
I'm Jonah.
And I'm Noah.
And that's Micah.
Kacy.
And if you're new to this channel, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell to be notified when we upload more.
Today we're going to be doing a Taco Bell advent calendar. And in this video we're going to be trying 20 different Taco Bell items because you requested them. Okay, let's open number 1.
Is that what that fork is for?
Yep. Okay, so we got, this is a Cool Ranch Dorito Taco. I have not had this ever.
We have never tried any of the Dorito tacos at Taco Bell.
Yeah, I have not consumed this with my being. It's a little soggy. This is pretty good.
We're going to be opening up number 2, and that is do in French.
What does that happen to be, brother?
Is that possibly an item by Taco Bell?
This is a loaded nacho fry, apparently. Let's try this.
This is one of their new menu items.
Number 5.
Micah would like to try a fry.
He wants a num fry.
This is pretty good.
I'd say it's okay.
I'd say it's very soggy.
Now we're gonna open up number 3. What's that in French?
Claw.
Would you look at that?
Why do you guys get all the tacos?
This is a red taco with meat, sour cream. It's very soggy and it's going to fall apart. I tried to pull it more out of the sleeve, but I ended up getting a piece.
Well,
That's pretty good, except it was kind of spicy. Comment down below if sour cream is a yay or nay.
anyway, now we're going on number
If
4.
you're a horse, then sour cream might be your thing.
Okay, let's go.
Actually not, because may. I messed up my joke.
He did the joke wrong, but it was still pretty funny.
We got a top-notch ingredients.
I believe it's a Mexican pizza.
This is a Mexican pizza.
Whoa.
No, it's not
That's
It's so
sad.
sad.
no.
I don't know what that is.
That's sad looking, whatever it is.
Guys, stop judging it. Guys, this is a spicy tostada, which means it has spicy sauce on it.
I can see that.
So let's go ahead and take a nice bite. Pretty good.
If you fold it, it's a taco.
That was so perfect.
I like the beef.
Did it just almost fall out of your mouth?
No.
You had to catch it?
You want to make it a
Can
taco?
we get Micah another fry or something?
It's a taco now. But fish tacos. Are those not tacos? I mean, it's not bad at all. I would not say it's bad. I
mean-
think that they should make everything with the Dorito tortillas. So they should have this one, have a Dorito option.
Hey, that's pretty good.
That'd be that'd be cool. Yeah, that's pretty good.
There you go, number 5.
I didn't know it was black.
Alright,
This beef. It's a soft taco.
Oh.
Whoa!
What?
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
There's a real taco.
It's a double-decker taco special.
That sounds pretty good.
And there's
incredible.
beans in it.
Okay, so guys, I'm gonna showcase this to you.
I like these fries, by the way.
Eat it. I also want to eat it, but you know.
I'm good. Here's Popeye. Wow.
Number 6.
Whip.
That didn't work.
Haha, dab.
How come the lid doesn't fit on this?
Watch me whip.
That's a dab.
Watch me.
Okay.
These are nachos with beans, cheese, and I think this is the spicy sauce from earlier on them. These are called triple layer nachos. And these are off of the dollar menu.
Buy Taco Bell.
Tastes like something you'd get
Everything's in the sauce.
tastes like something you'd get at a baseball game for like $5, which is overpriced.
Okay. Now it is number 7. It's a very flat item. Guess what? It's a taco. I think this is a normal taco.
Can we split it,
I
Emma?
don't really like normal tacos, so
Can we
here we
split
go.
it? Emma, can we split it?
No.
That doesn't look
So it's fancy.
completely normal. Sharing is caring. even if it's a
Jumping
sibling.
cheese on the floor. Awesome.
Well, I mean, you're eating tacos. What do you expect?
I know, it's just funny.
This is normal taco. Very good. Regular tacos are my favorite types of tacos.
That's pretty good.
They're not soggy and they stay perfect. Alright, I'm going to be opening up number 8.
Corn.
Oh.
That might be the thing I get.
What
Not
is that? This is a spicy tomato. This is a spicy potato hot. Can you explain to me what it is again?
Spiced potato soft
Spicy
taco.
potato soft taco.
This is a spicy potato soft taco.
Pretty good. Similar to what I order normally, which is a loaded potato griller. Those are great. That's good. That's the best thing I've had so far. That sauce is like kind of spicy, but like good spicy.
That's pretty okay.
Spicy potato soft taco.
Did
For
you
some
get the
reason,
sauce?
it reminds me of a basement. Now I'm opening up number 9.
Get it. That might be it.
This is a beefy Fritos loaded griller. Would you look at that? It's grilled. Wow,
You got a lot of meat.
a straight up tortilla.
Pretty good.
I love tortillas.
It tastes like peanut butter.
What?
How? Number 10.
No spit in my hair.
We got a cheesy roll-up. I will take a nice bite, and apparently this is for Micah.
Is it just cheese?
This one is also off of the dollar menu. Pretty good.
What?
It tastes like cheese.
Oh, let me keep getting
Oh,
my
likes it. You like it. You like it, Micah?
Alright, I'm going to open up number 11. And that is almonds in French.
Number 11. Lettuce.
Number 11, food lettuce.
What's that, my brother?
This is a 5-layer special breakfast shredded chicken. What is this?
No,
Something.
they wrap it a certain
We
way.
have no
to
way
put
of
it on
knowing what
it.
anything is. We don't know what
So it
Taco Bell is.
should be a special
Okay, let's see what this is. That does
There's
not
no
look.
list.
It looks very pale.
No, just take a bite of it. It has rice in it.
Yeah, it might be.
It's a bean and rice burrito.
Cheesy bean and rice burrito.
Tara
Wow.
was right.
Yes.
This is
Wonder who
right.
could have
Your
thought that.
timing was amazing.
Tell us what the burrito tastes like and how good is it.
It tastes like those burritos from Disneyland that were very high priced.
Nice. Eh. Okay.
I'll give it an
Emma, open up number 12 now that we're done with number 11.
11 was painful.
Stop breathing on me.
All right, this is squishy. Let's see. This is
Whoa.
a multi-layered, soft and crispy taco. I don't know what that's called,
Cheesy gordita crunchy.
but there's no beans right.
Jonah is correct. It is a cheesy gordita crunch.
It's
Decent?
it's a crispy taco, but with the soft.
What?
It just happened.
Are you okay?
Are you alright, dear? Okay.
Okay. It's basically just a taco wrapped in this flavorless thing. That's exactly what it is, but it's not bad.
It's good. It's the best thing. Isn't there cheese?
What about Micah?
There's cheese. There's a layer of cheese.
Oh, really?
Yeah, exactly.
Taco
Stop excessively breathing.
That's how he is for coughing. So weird.
So now we got number 13. Wow. Smells like tape in there. Okay, we got soft taco or special steak. Why did you just breathe over my shoulder?
What is this?
Why? You've been in quarantine, but I've all been for naught now. I think this is a normal soft taco with beef. It was good.
It was a normal soft taco.
Okay, good.
Hello, today we're going to be opening up. We're going to be unveiling number 14. And it's going to be marvelous, simply marvelous.
It's DiGiorno.
Maybe it's Maybelline.
Alright guys.
That is one
This
thick
a
boy.
Beefy Frito loaded griller.
If you look closely, Noah seems to be enjoying it. All right, number 15.
I like it.
Another lettuce.
15 foot lettuce.
Number 15 foot
Last thing
lettuce.
you want in your Burger King burger.
The last
Someone
thing
else's
you want in
foot
your
funky
Burger
app.
King burger.
This is a beefy 5-layer burrito. But I don't like it.
Wow.
Excuse me.
Micah, you can open up
Micah, go ahead and open number 16.
What's in there, Micah?
Micah has opened up number 16. This is a beefy 5-layer bean burrito.
You like it?
It's alright.
We're going to be opening up number 17, and that is decept in French. Whoa.
What is what?
Whoa.
Different packaging.
I am so confused on so many levels right now.
It is a beefy mini quesadilla.
It's okay, but I prefer the one with just cheese, because I'm a cheese connoisseur. Dab.
Number 18.
Number 18 foot lettuce.
What's that, Emma? This.
Is it apple pie?
It is a caramel apple empanada.
Ooh.
How does it taste? Num.
It tastes like apples in an empanada.
Is it good?
Yes, it's good.
I want some. It tastes like a caramel apple. It tastes pretty good. Eat it.
Micah, what do you
Don't
think?
talk about the thing.
They've mutilated this, and there's juicers flowing down the side.
Number 19. Oh. Cinnamon Delights.
There's nothing more delightful than a caramel delight.
It
I
is
know, what
dab
is it?
great.
It's got cinnamon
Icing.
and it's got delight, and it's very good.
Hey, Micah, open up 20.
Mike, open this one.
Get it, Micah. Poke a hole in it for him. Good boy. You got it, Micah. Get it.
Doing it.
Get it.
Yeah.
Get it, Micah. Get it.
Oh my god. What is? Oh,
Whoa,
they're Crunchios. These are Crunchy Boys. These are Cinnamon Twix. How do you feel about them, sir?
Num num.
I think these are very good.
Me too.
What was the best?
The
The
best
best?
was the caramel delights. I believe we all agree.
Yep.
Yep.
That's not what they're called. Those are the name of the Girl Scout cookies. Those are
Those are Cinnabon Delights.
Cinnamon delights are the absolute best things in
we
the
have
entire
said
world.
wrong.
Chop.
Cinnamon. Comment down below what your favorite item is from Taco Bell, and also comment suggestions for more advent calendars. Thank you for watching. Please comment, share, subscribe, thumbs up on Twitter, and see you later, alligator. It's time. Click these rectangles to watch more videos, and click this circle to subscribe. Bye.